How to create consistent characters in Midjourney step by step. So go ahead and open your Discord application to access the Midjourney bot. If you don't have the Midjourney on your Discord yet, visit any browser on your device, type in Midjourney, click on this result, and then on the lower right corner of this page, select on the sign up button, and you will then be directed to this page where you need to log in and input your Discord credentials. Discord is the only way to access Midjourney, so make sure that you have one. Now, once you're logged in, you will be invited in this server, wherein you just need to click on one of these newbie channels to use the command to make Midjourney generate images for you. As you can see, other people are also using Midjourney in here, and this channel could be a little chaotic. There's a chance that you will be lost in this chat when there's a lot of accounts using it. Now, if you're subscribed to any of their plans, you also get a private bot wherein commands of other users will not be bothering your page, and your features will not be limited as well. So once you're in there, type in a slash followed by the word imagine. This will then show, so just click on this, and this prompt is where we will type the description of the image that we want. Just describe the image that you want to see. So let's say a girl, happy. We can also add in an illustration type, and for this specific image, I want it to be a flat image. So just type that in, and then lastly, I want to specify the aspect ratio, and to do that, type in a double dash followed by the letters AR, which stands for aspect ratio, and then I want it to be 2 by 3. Now enter that prompt and just wait for this to load. It may take a while, but once it's 100% done, you will then be presented with 4 images. Click on it to see it more clearly, and on these, I think I like the number 2 already, so I'll click on U2. These U stands for upscale. Here you can see that it loaded individually, and if you want to download it, click on this web button, and here on the browser you can click on the save icon and you will have it on your device. Now if you want a specific image in here but you want a different version of it, click on the V here, which stands for version, and their corresponding number. Once you click on it, a window box where you can edit the prompt will then show. So edit and add any details as long as you like. Enter it, and once it's fully loaded, as you can see, we have a slightly different version of the same picture that we have a while ago. So just choose what you like the most in here and save it. By the way, this icon serves as the refresh icon. If we click on it, the Midjourney will generate a new set of images using the same prompt that we previously used. Now, to create consistent characters, we need the seed number of the generated images in Midjourney. As you can see in this page, seed numbers is a number used to create a field of visual noise, and we can use the same seed number and prompt to get similar images. Below here is an example, and as you all can see, it shows the owl image here. No seed numbers were specified, and even with the same prompt, different set of owls were generated. Whereas here, a seed number was used and it generated the same image of the owl. Now, to use this, we need to get first the seed number of our reference character. So, upscale an image, open it on the web, and then right-click on it and copy its image address. This is because we will be needing this to generate our image later. After this, go back to Discord, go to the image that you want to be your reference. On the right part of it, click on Add Reaction, and then in here, click on the envelope icon. If it's not visible on your window, use the search icon to search for envelope and then click on this. Now wait for a few seconds and its job ID and seed number will then show. What we want to do is to start creating the prompt for your next image. So let's try generating a different action using the same girl. So again, slash imagine, click on the prompt, and in here, paste in the image address of our reference image. Now copy and paste in the original prompt of our previous image. And since the image above is just a girl, let's edit the prompt a little bit, make it a girl happy, and then I'll add in holding a cup of coffee. And then go to the seed number, copy it, and paste it after your prompt. Now again, this may take a while, but once it's done, 4 images will be shown to you, and as you can see, the same girl, the same art style, but with different action will be shown to you. Here it is the girl happily walking, and below is the same girl holding a cup of coffee, since that's what we changed in the prompt. Now personally, I think the fourth one has the closest look, so let's upscale that and save it. Now let's say you want to change the angle and the scale of your image and you want to see her running. Again, copy and paste the image address. Do that as well to the prompt. And lastly, copy the seed number. Now let's edit the prompt. Delete the holding the cup and describe the girl's clothing. Let's say it has a black pants on a rubber shoes and it has a bag on its shoulders. Just describe the clothing all the way down to her shoes, and you can also describe the stance of your character if you want one. Enter that in and just wait for it to load. As you can see, it generated our same character, but it's still kind of zoomed in and its whole body is still not visible. Now, to make the camera more far away, upscale an image that you want. And if you're using the version 5 of Midjourney, these options will then show, and you can click on this zoom out 2 times. Wait for it to load, and as you can see, its whole body can now be seen. Another thing we can do is to change the view of our character. Let's say you want the side view of the same character doing the same thing. What we want to do is upscale that image. Again, open it on the browser, copy the image address, and then paste it on the prompt of our command. Once that is done, copy the prompt of the original image, click on Add Reaction icon of the photo, and select the envelope. Wait for the job ID and seed number to load. Copy the seed number and paste it to the prompt. Now on the start of the prompt, type in side view and then enter that in. Once that's loaded, as you can see, unfortunately some of the image didn't change, but the fourth one was changed and was tilted to the side, so upscale that and from here we can download it. So that is how to create consistent characters in Midjourney step by step. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.